Welcome to Digant E Academy. Friends, today let us see GK question based on dates. First question is, when is the World Population Day observed? Option A, October 4, B, December 10, C, July 11, D, June 10. The right answer is July 11. Next, the centenary of Mahatma Gandhi's arrival in South Africa was celebrated in the year. Option A, September 1993. Option B, April 1993. C, August 1993. D, May 1993. The right answer is May 1993. Third question. January 15 is celebrated as the Republic Day, Army Day, Martyrs Day, Earth Day. The right answer is Army Day. The year 1991 was observed in India as the year of girl child, tourism, literacy, population control. The right answer is tourism. Fifth, the United Nations declared 1993 as the year of the disabled, forest, indigenous people, girl child. Yes, the right answer is option C, indigenous people. Which year is observed as Poverty Eradication Year by SARC? A, 1998, B, 1997, C, 1996, D, 1995. Yes, the year 1995 is observed as Poverty Eradication Year by SARC. World Human Rights Day is observed on December 10, December 7, September 5, December 11. Yes, the right answer is December 10. Teachers' Day is observed on which of the date? Teachers' Day is observed on which of the date? September 5, November 14, October 2, August 15. Yes, the date September 5 is observed as Teachers' Day. The World Environment Day is celebrated on August 6, June 5, June 15, April 21. The right answer is June 5. August 20th is celebrated as Sadbhavana Divas, Earth Day, World Water Day, none of these. Sadbhavana Divas is the right answer. World No Smoking Day is observed on the day 1st January, 31st May, 31st December, December 10. The right answer is 31st May. The birthday of which of the leader in India is observed as Children's Day? Indira Gandhi, S. Radhakrishnan, Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi. The right answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Kisan Divas is celebrated on December 10, December 23, December 11, October 14. Yes, December 23 is celebrated as Kisan Divas. World Ozone Day is observed on October 3, October 8, September 16, September 27. World Ozone Day is observed on September 16. In India, the National Voters' Day is celebrated on December 17, January 17, January 25th, March 25th. Yes, the right answer is January 25th. The World Tuberculosis Day is observed on March 24, February 24, March 8, April 5. March 24 is observed as the World Tuberculosis Day. First Tuesday of May is observed as World Immunization Day, International Human Solidarity Day, World Asthma Day, International Family Day. Yes, the right answer is World Asthma Day. National Integration Day is celebrated on 15th December, 18th October, 19th November, 12th December. The right answer is 19th November. In India, Flag Day is celebrated on December 4, December 7, December 17, December 27. The right answer is December 7. In India, Flag Day is celebrated. Thank you guys.
And now for more videos, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get notifications.